There's hope. Do you love mindset and personal development but feel like you're the only one who actually studies this? None of your family or friends or anybody close around you actually does? Well, you're not alone, and there's some light at the end of the tunnel. And I want to encourage you today to keep believing in your dreams, keep believing in your vision, in your mission, and the things that you really want to bring to this world, your message and impact. It's hard sometimes when you don't have a lot of people that think the same way around you. I've certainly been there myself, and it can feel like everybody around you is just very different from you. I mean, you are the sole person who actually believes in any sort of dream or anything like that. But again, you are not alone, and myself and many other people in this world are studying personal development, are studying mindset, and truly trying to become the best versions of themselves. So it is my hope for you that you keep moving forward, you keep following your dreams, keep following that feeling within yourself that says, I have something more important and bigger in my life that I'm going after. Keep going towards it. It's inevitable that it will happen one day. It's just a matter of time. Keep striving, keep becoming the best version of yourself. Keep studying and applying the knowledge that you hear on a daily basis, and one day you'll arrive at your dream and you'll look back and you'll be able to help others do the same.